In its first meeting after the 2023 election, the Progressive Network for Democracy has resolute to commend the effort of Alhaji Jamilu Nafkan, who is the grand patron of the group in Adamawa State, for his tremendous effort towards the progress of the state chapter of the organization. The group also pray for Senator ishatuDahiruAhmadBinani to succeed in the Tribunal Court in order to have first female governor-elect in Nigeria. The decision of the group came at the end of its national level meeting held on Wednesday in Abuja. Briefing the newsmen shortly after the meeting, the National Publicity Secretary of the group, Honorable Umar Saleh Nabai, said after deliberating on the matters regarding the organization and other issues such as their preparation for the forthcoming inauguration of the newly elected president, the group leaders take the decision to recognize the effort of Alhaji Jamilu Nafkan, the grand patron of the PND in Adamawa State, for his contribution towards the progress of the organization in the state.
Very much in our resolution for the meeting we held today, the 10th of May 2023, we actually have a meeting in preparation of the inauguration of the forthcoming president, inshallah. We made resolution that the national body of Progressive Network for Democracy shall write a recommendation letter to the state grand patron in person of Alhaji Jamilu Nafkan from Adamawa State to appreciate his effort towards the progress of PND in Adamawa State.
Honorable Nabai said the group also resolute to write a congratulatory letters to all candidates who won election under the platform of All Progressive Congress in the just concluded 2023 election. He further commended the effort of Adamawa State coordinator of the group in person of Comrade Adam Ibrahim Paula for his contribution towards the progress of the organization. He concluded by advising the citizens to be united irrespective of their differences for the prosperous and progress of Nigeria, and also he prayed for Senator ishatuDahiruAhmadBinani to succeed in her case at Tribunal in order to have first female governor-elect in Nigeria.
We want to write a letter to any elected principal officer under the platform of All Progressive Congress across the country to congratulate them, and particularly in the forthcoming inauguration of May 29 and the subsequent days of the inauguration of the National Assembly and the State Assembly respectively. I want to call on the general public to see that no success is being recorded without putting head together. So let each and every one come together, particularly youths and women, give their contribution to the development of democracy in Nigeria. One day, we will record a president who is under youth, we will record governors and the women, particularly in Adamawa State, that we are hoping God will, inshallah, say its reality and make ishatuDahiruAhmadBinani to be the governor of Adamawa State.
Sayed Ismail, Switch Online TV.